am pulling into Harvest Host. This is the name.
Turn right on Nelson
Ranch
Road.
At Trader Hill. It's a farm. I'm staying the night. Really out here in the boondocks. Gotta take a dirt road to get to it. So, but the road is so far well maintained. No crazy potholes.
Turn left on Tompkins Landing.
It's pretty smooth. Here I am, Trader Hill. It says it's supposed to be a gate code to get in, but the gate's open. So here I am on a horse farm. It said it got 4 sites here. Just gotta find it. They sent me some directions. Oh, here it is, the ranch at Trader Hill. We got to turn in here. Real pretty so far. They said they got 4 RV sites here. I'm at site number 1. So I just found a sign that says campground right next to the turnout area for the horses. There's a working ranch here. So don't like horses, don't stay here. This looks like the campsite here. They said they got showers, bathroom here, and they said I gotta look for number 1 on the electrical panel. Got water, electric. This is number 1. And I got my water. And I'm glad I made it here before it got too dark. Tomorrow morning I'll video a little bit more. But got 4 sites here. Number 1, that looks like number 2, number 3, number 4 down there. See some of the horses over there. Pretty cool. A little better video of the site. Seemed like my lens was a little foggy. Just cleaned it up a little bit. So, horses. I don't know what that is. See some of the other sites here. I'm at 1, so it looks like 2, 3, 4. The water. Stops are. Another trailer there. And go to bathrooms. And to see what the electric looks like. There we go. They got you 30, 50. Nope, 30, 50. It's nice. Nice and clean. Got some gravel on the floor. Not in the mud, not in the grass. Very quiet. Covered. Nice. Right under the spotlight, which I don't mind. Got the bathrooms over here. Got the little drop box. Tomorrow videos again. We put your donation. You got $30. Got your laundry room. Nice laundry room. Pretty cool. Well, looks like it's free too. take a video of this tomorrow. Daytime. Ooh, nice showers. Nice. Beautiful, clean. Well supplied. Yeah. Nice clean bathroom. Not bad for 30 bucks. You want a $30 donation. Here goes the other one. Oh, very clean. It's gorgeous. So far it looks good. Got a place to clean your shoes. If you want. Clean my Crocs. So that's where the money goes, which I'll give in a little while. And if you come here with your horse, you can be tied up. Very nice. Little notice sign. Stay at your own risk. Oh, gonna set up. See you later. Here we are early in the morning at this Airbnb. I said I was gonna get a morning shot. Really nice. Surrounded by horses, stables, somebody there taking the horse out. Oh, that's the main sewer shut off. Oh, I didn't realize you got a picnic tables here. Little pavilion you can sit on. There may be some firewood over there. Like I said, there's 4 campsites here. So that's 4. That post is number 3. This is number 2. Those electrical boxes. You got 15, 30 amps. There's Rolly Faith. Here's mine. Bathrooms. Water. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful area. Highly recommend it. Tree lines. Morning view of the bathrooms. A little bit of what I showed last night. I showed the inside already. You can see it's nice, covered, little porch. Very clean, pristine. That's a little path you take when you come in. If you get here at night, I'm going to tell you it's going to be might be a little hard to navigate. There's really no lights. You got to kind of like follow the directions. Look for the barns, look for the landmarks. There's one little sign when you come in. Actually get into the property. When you drive in, there's one little sign where it tells you to do your last little left turn. I'll try to video it on my way out. But there's really no lights back here except this one big spotlight over over site 1. So if you like light, get site 1. If you don't want a big light over you, then get the others. But it lights up pretty much the whole area. So here's a little dirt path that takes you into the little campground. They call it a campground here. So that's a sign you look for. Another view of the 4 RV spots. And there you see the little pavilion, and that definitely looks like a little fire pit there. Nice place to sit. Got some, like they got some firewood, so that's cool. So again, there's only 30 bucks really to stay, and actually for a donation. And the path up until you get to the back here is blacktopped or paved. nice. Got a nice painted horse right there. You're right next to the turnout area. We'll call this here. And this is the sign you have to look for when you come in here. You come into the property to the main gates, you got to go down past like 2 barns, and you have to look for this little sign that tells you to make your left. It's not that bad. It was a little confusing last night, you know, starting to get dark when I got here. But now that I look at it in the daytime, it's pretty simple. Look for your landmarks, and if you go too far, I guess you just turn around and come back, you know. So I mean, you're really all fenced in this property, so if you get lost, you just turn back around. Like I said, you make a turn here and go all the way down to the back. So it's pretty cool, beautiful, it's clean. So someone just stopped by and said hello to me, asked me how my night was. He's riding around on the golf cart, so that's pretty cool. And there's another sign here that tells you where to go, but again, you can't really see it at night. But I saw this before, and I see the sign now. So there's some trails back there. But I would ask. I don't know if you can walk it or bike it, or might be for the horses. But I would also ask to see if you can do something if you're into riding, to take you out on a trail ride. Pretty sure they would, with some proper notice. You know, you got more barns. This is your landmark that they tell you gotta go past this barn here, and then another barn on my right. Go past those barns. Those are your landmarks. I mean, this has to be probably one of the prettiest harvest hosts. I stood at another one, I think, out of Pennsylvania, on my way back from Indiana, that I have on my TikTok channel. I was in a farm, a cornfield. That was really nice, that one. View of the mountains. This one's gorgeous. Highly recommend it. I'm in Hilliard, Florida. You're really just on the other side of the Georgia line, Florida-Georgia line, as they say, and pretty cool. Very nice. These are the gates. One gate. A little worker there. Again, I'm going reverse on my way out. Nice trees. Even though this is a gravel road, it's still see any big potholes or craters. The gates, you go out, and you come in, take a picture of the sign. Trader Hill. And coming in, you got this dirt road here. And even though it's a dirt road, again, it's pretty smooth. I mean, you see my van's not bouncing that much. Not too many potholes, craters. About 12 miles. See some other old homes back here. very surprised. About 18 miles, 17, 15. When I got on this road last night, I was like, uh-oh, oh boy, here we go. But that's about it for now, for my next adventure.